Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to contact Bitget support. So, let's get started right away. If you ever need assistance or you have an issue or you simply want to make an inquiry on Bitget account, then you can simply go ahead and contact the support team. Simply open the Bitget application from your app drawer and make sure to sign into your account. Once you're logged into the main home page, from the first interface, tap on the little headphone icon at the top right hand corner. This will then take you to the support page. Bitget offers live chat support where you can start a conversation with the support agent. You can go ahead and contact the BG bot and it'll provide you with assistance. Choose one of the topics that you have problems or need inquiry on, and you will then receive relevant answers regarding your issue or inquiry. You can also contact Bitget support via email. You can also go ahead and tap on your profile picture at the top left corner and then scroll down and tap on Help Center. From the self-service options, select one of the options and then you can go ahead and submit a ticket for the topic you want to inquiry about. Make sure to provide all of the information needed in the text boxes and submit your ticket for an issue or an inquiry. So those were some of the ways you can contact Bitget support by using the Bitget mobile application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.